Leo is at the market. He counts his money again. Bread, eggs, tomatoes, apples, no. It is not enough. He cannot buy everything. What will Leo choose? In this story, you will learn 8 new words: cheap, expensive, fresh, choose, enough, pay, price, and change. Listen for them. Leo at the market. Let's begin. It is Saturday morning. Mom gives Leo a shopping list: bread, eggs, tomatoes, and apples. She gives him $10. Buy fresh food, she says. And be careful with the money. Leo walks to the market. It is big and busy. There are many stands with fruit, vegetables, and bread. Then Leo sees a face he knows. It is Mrs. Bell. She sells fruit, vegetables, and chocolate, too. Leo looks at the tomatoes. One stand has cheap tomatoes. They cost $1, but they are old and soft. Mrs. Bell's tomatoes are fresh and red, but they are more expensive. How much are your tomatoes? Leo asks. $3, says Mrs. Bell. Leo thinks about the price. Cheap or fresh? Mom said, buy fresh food. So Leo chooses the fresh tomatoes. 1 kilo, please, he says. Mrs. Bell puts the tomatoes in his bag. Let's stop for 2 quick questions. Question 1. Were Mrs. Bell's tomatoes cheap or expensive? Question 2. Did Leo choose the old tomatoes or the fresh tomatoes? Let's check. Number 1, expensive. Number 2, the fresh tomatoes. Great job. Now, back to the story. Leo buys the bread and the eggs at another stand. Then he stops. At Mrs. Bell's stand, he sees big red apples. He also sees his favorite chocolate. Leo counts his money. Oh no. He does not have enough money for everything. Apples or chocolate? It is a difficult choice. Leo wants the chocolate very much. But the apples are on Mom's list, and they are for the family. Leo thinks for a moment. Then he decides. He puts the chocolate back. The apples, please, he says. Leo gives Mrs. Bell the money. He pays for the tomatoes and the apples. Mrs. Bell counts it. Here is your change, she says, and gives Leo $1 back. Leo puts the change in his pocket. Then Mrs. Bell smiles. She puts something small in Leo's bag. It is the chocolate. A little present, she says. For a boy who chooses so carefully. Leo is surprised and very happy. Thank you, Mrs. Bell. Leo walks home with his bags. Mom looks at everything: fresh tomatoes, bread, eggs, and big red apples. Good job, Leo, she says. You chose well. Leo smiles and shares the chocolate with Mom. It is a happy Saturday. Now let's check your understanding. Pause the video and write your answers in the comments. Question 1. Did Leo have enough money for everything, yes or no? Question 2. What did Leo put back, the apples or the chocolate? Question 3. True or false, Mrs. Bell gave Leo a little present. Let's check your answers. Number 1, no. Number 2, the chocolate. Number 3, true. How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments. Now let's review the 8 new words. Cheap. Something cheap costs little money. One stand has cheap tomatoes. Expensive. Something expensive costs a lot of money. Mrs. Bell's tomatoes are more expensive. Fresh. Fresh food is new and good to eat. Buy fresh food, Mom says. Choose. To pick one thing from many. So Leo chooses the fresh tomatoes. Enough. As much as you need. He does not have enough money for everything. Pay. To give money for something. He pays for the tomatoes and the apples. Price. The money something costs. Leo thinks about the price. Change. The money you get back when you pay. Here is your change, says Mrs. Bell. Next, A2 Story 4. Subscribe to keep learning English step by step.